This is a tutorial on how to embed your MyOpenMath into your Blackboard course. There are several steps, but it will save you the time of grading all the way through and also sending your students to a different website. So the first thing I want to do is I want to add a new course. I choose copy from my or a colleague's course. And in my courses, the shell that I use for 152 is called copy course. And then continue. Here I'm going to rename this fall course so that it has a different name and submit. So I go to enter the course. You want to choose export. The first thing you want to do here is change your learning management system to Blackboard. And then here you can export the entire course or you can select items. I choose select items. I only use the assessments. You can pick and choose what you like. But if you put all of the labs and all of the assessments in, they will all show up into your gradebook. So you may not want to do that because it might overload your gradebook. I choose just what I need for my class. And then I'm going to choose download Blackboard cartridge. You'll see in this bottom corner here, I have the zip file. It ends in 8927. So I want to keep that in mind. That's now on my computer. Then I go back to Blackboard. Let me go to home real quick. In Blackboard, you go down to Packages and Utilities. And when you click on that link, you scroll down to Import Package. Here you choose Import Package. Browse my computer, and I'm going to find that zip file that I just downloaded. So I go down to the last one that I downloaded. Make sure at this step that you scroll all the way down, this is really important, and click Select All. Otherwise, nothing will actually import. Then you click Submit, and it'll tell you up top that you'll get an email when that's complete. It usually doesn't take too long. I usually get an email right away. So I'm just going to click, let's see if I can just refresh this tab. Let me see if it's imported. Not yet. Okay, let me hit refresh one more time. And there you can see in the left-hand side at the very bottom, you'll see this Math 152 fall course. And here are the couple of things that I imported. I just put 3 assessments on here. And so that will stay in your left-hand menu, all of the things that you just imported. What you want to do here is you'll notice these all say invalid link. So we need to connect these to our Blackboard course. So we want to come down here to Manage LTI Links. And that will give you the list of everything that you've imported. And you can see it says broken, credentials missing. So take the very first item that you have, click Edit Credentials. And there's a tool provider key and a tool provider secret. You want to go back to your MyOpenMath screen. Go up to your course. Let's see if I can find my settings. There we go. This is under LMS integration. And if you click here, you'll find the course key and secret. So we want to choose the first one that ends in 1. I'm going to copy that, go back to my Blackboard page. That goes in my key. And then I'll go back to MyOpenMath. I'll grab my secret here, copy and paste that. Back to Blackboard. Here's a really important part. You want to make sure you click this, apply these credentials to all the links, and then it will connect everything at once and save you time. There we go. So as soon as you click that, you can see that all of these are working. You should be in good shape. Generally, what I do at this point is I go back to my course on the left-hand side, and then I'll just start moving these to where I want them to be. So I'll move that assessment into my class designated folder. I'll go down to 1-1 under assignments, and then I'll move that. And then I clear out this whole import, and then I take this fall course over here and I hide it. And that way it's not extra things for the students to worry about on the left-hand side. The last thing and most final thing that you have to do before your students can access all of the assessments is you want to go to one of your assignments. So I'll go to this Unit 1, the one that I just put here in assignments. Here's my assessment. When I click on that the very first time, it takes me to this screen. And only the instructor will have to do this, but you want to put your username and password for MyOpenMath here. And once you sign in one time, click Associate this LMS course with my existing course, continue, and then it takes you to the assessment. And so the students won't have to go through that process. You just click it one time, type in your username and password for MyOpenMath, and then link those together, and you're finished.